You worked for decades. Early mornings, long days, responsibility after responsibility. And now, retirement finally arrives. At first, it feels great. No alarm clock, no boss, no commute. But then something unexpected happens. The days start to feel long. The TV stays on too much. And you catch yourself thinking, is this really all there is? If you're retired and feeling bored, restless, or a little lost, this video is for you. Because retirement doesn't mean the end of purpose. In many ways, it can be the beginning of your most meaningful chapter. Stay with me, because we're going to walk through practical, fulfilling ways retired men can stay productive, connected, and energized. Let's start with a mindset shift. Retirement isn't about stopping. It's about redirecting. For years, your time was controlled by a job. Now, you finally control your time. That freedom can feel uncomfortable at first, especially for men who built their identity around work. But purpose doesn't disappear when you retire. It just changes shape. The key question becomes, how do I use my experience, skills, and time in a way that still matters? One of the most powerful things retired men can do is volunteer. Volunteering gives you structure without stress. It gives you responsibility without deadlines. And it gives you something many men miss after retirement: being needed. You could volunteer at food banks, community shelters, veteran organizations, hospitals or hospice programs, animal rescues. Many nonprofits are desperate for reliable, mature men who show up and follow through. And the benefits go both ways. You help others, and you gain a reason to get up in the morning, social interaction, and a sense of contribution. You're not just filling time, you're making a difference. If you spent decades building skills, wisdom, or leadership experience, mentoring may be one of the most meaningful things you can do. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be willing to share what you've learned. Mentoring can look like helping younger men in your community, coaching youth sports, guiding young professionals, supporting at-risk kids, teaching trade or technical skills. You've lived through mistakes, successes, and hard lessons. What took you 40 years to learn could save someone else years of struggle. Mentoring reminds you that your experience still matters, because it does. For many men, retirement is the perfect time to reconnect with faith or become more active in their church. Churches often need men who are dependable and willing to serve. You might help with building maintenance, join or lead a men's group, assist with outreach programs, mentor younger families, participate in mission or service projects. Faith involvement gives structure, community, and deeper meaning to your time. It's not about filling a pew, it's about being part of something bigger than yourself. When work stops, movement often slows down, and that's one of the fastest ways boredom and low energy creep in. You don't need to train like an athlete, you just need to stay active. Simple options include walking groups, golf or pickleball, swimming, light strength training, hiking or biking. Physical activity improves mood, sleep, and mental sharpness. It also gives your day rhythm and momentum. A body that moves stays energized. A body that sits too much starts to feel old fast. Retirement is the first time many men finally have space to learn purely for enjoyment. You could learn a musical instrument, take community college classes, study history, finance, or theology, learn woodworking or metalworking, explore photography or writing. Learning keeps the mind sharp. It gives you something to work toward, and it reminds you that growth doesn't stop just because your career did. Men thrive when they're building, fixing, or creating something. Consider home improvement projects, restoring an old car, gardening, building furniture, starting a workshop. Hands-on projects give immediate satisfaction. You see progress, you solve problems, you stay mentally engaged, and there's pride in looking at something and saying, "I built that." Some retired men aren't done working, they're just done with full-time pressure. A part-time job or purpose-driven role can be perfect. You might work a few days a week, consult in your former field, help a small business, work at a golf course, hardware store, or nonprofit. The goal isn't money, it's structure, interaction, and usefulness. Work on your terms can be incredibly satisfying. Strengthening relationships. Retirement also gives you time to invest in relationships that may have taken a back seat. You can spend more time with your spouse, be more present with grandchildren, reconnect with old friends, build new friendships. Men often underestimate how much they need connection. Purpose grows stronger when it's shared. If you're retired and bored, here's the truth. Nothing is wrong with you. You're just a man with unused energy, experience, and potential. Retirement isn't the end of productivity. It's a chance to redefine it. You've earned this season of life. Now it's time to shape it into something meaningful. Find purpose, stay connected, keep moving forward. Because a good life doesn't stop at retirement. In many ways, it finally has room to begin. This is the Triumph Channel. For men, for life. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe, and share it with another man who might be struggling with retirement boredom. You're not done yet.